Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Yasmin, your trusted mortgage lender, and today I'm thrilled to have Nicole with me again, our neighborhood real estate expert. We're diving into pros and cons of buying a fixer-upper.
And I'm so glad to be here, and thank you, Jasmine, for having me on again. I'm excited to discuss this topic because it can really make a difference for a lot of home buyers. Plus, it's something I have a lot of experience with, having helped numerous clients turn their fixer-upper into a dream home.
So let's jump right in, Nicole. What are some pros and cons of buying a fixer-upper?
One of the big pros is the potential for significant equity growth. When you buy a fixer-upper at a low price and invest into renovation, you can substantially increase the home's value. Plus, it gives you the opportunity to customize the home exactly the way you like it. I've seen clients transform properties in amazing ways, adding features that truly make the house their own. It's incredibly rewarding to see the before and after results, the joy it brings to the homeowners.
It sure does. So now let's talk about the cons. What should home buyers be aware of when considering a fixer-upper?
Well, the main con is the potential of unexpected costs. Renovation often end up being more expensive and time-consuming than initially planned. It's essential to have realistic budget and the timeline and to be prepared for the unexpected surprise that comes with renovating. For instance, one of my discovered hidden water damage after starting their project. We had to adjust the plan and budget accordingly. It's all about being prepared and flexible. Speaking of cost, let's discuss some financing. Yasmin, can you explain some of the financing options available for buying a fixer-upper?
Absolutely. One popular option is the FHA 203K loan, which allows buyers to finance both purchase and renovation costs with a single mortgage. Another option is the home-style renovation loan, which also covers cost repairs and upgrades. These loans can really help manage the financial side of buying a fixer-upper. Now let's talk about finding the right fixer-upper. What should buyers look for during their search?
Location, location, location. You want a property in a desirable neighborhood because this can significantly impact the home's future value. Also, pay close attention to the condition of major systems like roof, foundation, and plumbing. Cosmetic issues are easy and less expensive to fix than structural problems. I always tell my clients to look for good bones, solid structure that might just need some cosmetic love.
That's great advice. For those weighing the pros and cons, what's the most important thing to consider before buying a fixer-upper?
The most important thing is to be honest with yourself about your ability and your resources. If you're handy and enjoy DIY projects, a fixer-upper can be a fantastic opportunity. If you're not prepared for the time, effort, and cost involved, it might be worth considering a move-in ready condition. I've had clients who underestimated the scope of their project and found themselves overwhelmed. It's all about knowing your limit and being realistic about what you can handle.
Wise words, Nicole. So remember, if you're thinking about buying a fixer-upper, having a solid plan and a great team, including knowledgeable real estate agent like Nicole, and a lender is essential.
Absolutely, Yasmin. We'd love to help you navigate through the process and turn a house that needs a little TLC into your dream home. My favorite part of this job is seeing my client's vision come to life and knowing I've played a part of making that happen.
Thanks for joining us today, Nicole. If you learned something new, please like, share, and subscribe. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. We're here to help. Until next time, bye.